Today, I'm going to tell you what the Internet of Things is and how it works. The Internet of Things, or IoT, is a term that describes how everyday objects can connect to the Internet and communicate with each other. IoT devices can be anything from smartwatches to refrigerators to cars to factories. These devices have sensors, software, and network connectivity that allow them to collect and share data. But why do we need IoT? Well, IoT is essential for making our lives easier, safer, and more efficient. It can help monitor health and fitness through wearable devices, save energy with smart home devices, avoid traffic with smart cars, and improve productivity and quality in smart factories. But how does IoT work? Devices use hardware like sensors to collect data, which is then shared via the cloud and integrated with software, which analyzes and transmits the data to users. IoT, a rapidly growing field with over 75 billion devices expected by 2025, is revolutionizing our interactions with the environment and each other, creating new opportunities and challenges for businesses, governments, and individuals, making it a significant technological advance.